Flatlock panels can be used for steep roofs, but are generally used for wall cladding with a continuous support. The panels are very flexible and can be diamond, rectangular or square in shape, and most commonly have offset joints. Receiver U-shaped flashing strips are cut to size and screwed into place at the windowsill, jambs and head, in this case in natural zinc. At the base of the wall, a receiver flashing is installed, and the Flatlock panels are fitted on a perfect horizontal line from bottom to top. Some Flatlock panels are fitted with cleats, but here notches have been created, allowing the panels to be screwed directly into place. The panel next to the window jamb is cut to size and fitted. The receiver strip at the sill is notched, allowing easy access for screwing in. The panel that wraps around the jamb and head is cut to size with a grinder, but shears can also be used. This panel has an additional 20mm upstand. At the sill, a panel is installed with 30mm upstands on the jambs. The jamb then overlaps this upstand. The sill is pinched tight at the base. The jambs are then screwed into place. It is good practice to pre-drill the hole before fixing with the lacquered stainless steel screw. The window head flashing is then fitted. The final panels are installed.